Hey guys, so in today's video we are going to talk about how you can fix problems like audio stuttering when connection between Bluetooth devices and your computer suddenly keeps disconnecting randomly.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. This device is connected correctly.
Before we begin, I just want to show you this cheap and amazing portable keyboard mouse, which is not bigger, is 10 inches in size with chocolate style keys. The form factor of this keyboard is ultra slim, super lightweight. The keys are really silent when you're typing. The mouse is also having a slim form factor with dual mode Bluetooth and wireless connection. Both of these are rechargeable with built-in lithium-ion batteries. Is compatible with many devices that support Bluetooth, like your iPhone, Mac, iPad, laptop, Android phones, and tablets. To begin, turn on your keyboard and mouse. Just press the connect button on the keyboard and then go to the settings in Windows. And from there, you can connect both. Both keyboard and mouse supports backlit RGB LED lights, so you can work all night without turning on the lamp. The keyboard has multiple RGB modes. You can also choose to have simple white LED light or breathing mode, which will change different themes. The mouse also glows with multiple colors. So solution number 1 is to keep your Bluetooth devices on full charge. It's very common that you may have good sound when using headset near your phone or laptop, but as soon as you switch rooms, the audio may start to cut out. The reason is weak signals due to low battery. Fully charging your devices will increase efficiency and prevent connection interference. Or solution number 2 is to remove any kind of interference because Bluetooth devices communicate using 2.4 GHz spectrum band. Therefore, obstruction between your speakers and your peripheral devices can make an impact, like walls having electrical wires, power and communication outlets, fluorescent light bulbs, kitchen and home appliances like microwave, oven, and even there could be other Bluetooth devices that are paired with other appliances. This can make a huge impact over your Bluetooth device and make higher chances of your audio cutting out. Therefore, switching them off or using your Bluetooth audio device close to your phone or PC can minimize the problem. Solution number 3. If you are using a Bluetooth USB adapter to connect Bluetooth devices to your PC, make sure it's not a fake as shown in the picture. Or you could be using an outdated adapter that was not built for your PC or laptop, or not compatible with your operating system, or even it could be an obsolete version of Bluetooth. To get maximum range of your Bluetooth speaker or keyboard mouse, make sure to use the latest version of adapter, which is 5.0 or above. Here is the chart for your reference. Solution number 4. You can extend the range for up to few meters by using this simple 4-port USB hub. Just connect the hub to your PC and then connect the USB Bluetooth adapter to it. For best results, I use the USB extension cable. You just need to connect the USB Bluetooth dongle to it and the results are amazing. This hack will not cost you that much. Try yourself and let us know in the comments. Solution number 5. Sometimes resetting the headset or Bluetooth device can solve many problems. Consult your manufacturer's user guide on how to reset your Bluetooth headset or speaker. Follow the procedure. This will clear the memory on your Bluetooth speaker or headset, and then you can reconnect the device. You can also reinstall your Bluetooth drivers. To do that, go to Device Manager, uninstall the Bluetooth driver, and then let Windows reinstall it. You can visit your device manufacturer to update your Bluetooth headset or speaker drivers. If everything fails, run into Windows settings and run Bluetooth Troubleshooter. This will try to fix any issues related to the software side. If you have followed all these procedures correctly and still unable to achieve the best results, call your nearest tech support. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.